Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to import a PDF image into MicroSurvey's MSCAD. To do this, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my Insert tab, and then I'm going to go to the Data section on the right hand side, and I'm going to select PDF Underlay. Now I can just go ahead and choose any PDF that I have saved here already for the project. And then I specify which page of the PDF that I want to bring in. Then I can click anywhere on my job to drop it in, and then I can drag my mouse to scale the image. Finally, I can now drag my mouse, or I can just type in a rotation value to set the rotation. And now my PDF image is imported. Now I can draw on top of it, I can work on top of it, and it can just sit in the background there. And that's all for today's video. If you liked this video or found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all the helpful content we have on the way, you can subscribe to our channel. And if you know what you'd like to see next from these videos, or if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below. As always, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.